G'day, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook, and today's recipe will be cooking a Camp Oven Baked Silverside. For the ingredients, you'll need a silverside, some black peppercorn, some cloves, some bay leaves, some mixed herbs, some brown sugar, some vinegar, and your vegetables you want to cook. Place the silverside into a bowl and cover it in brown sugar, making sure you turn it every now and then. There is no liquid added in here, it's the moisture from the meat coming out. Place the trivet into the camp oven, add your vinegar and water mix to the top of the trivet, and then add your herbs and spices into the liquid. Place your silverside into the camp oven, and put the lid on and let it cook for about 2 hours. Just remember, you want to be able to slice it and not fall apart. If you're new to camp oven cooking and not sure about heat control, what camp oven I should buy, how to season and maintain it, then check out my website. It's got plenty of guides on how to do all the things required for camp oven cooking. And that's it. How good does it look? Just remember, it's not burnt, that's the caramelization of all the sugars on the outside. Slice it up and serve it how you want. It's yum in a sandwich. And don't forget to listen to our podcast we recorded while we're here. You can find the link below at thecampovencook.com.au. Thanks for watching.